Samsung is gearing up to reveal its latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, on January 17th, alongside the S24 and S24 Plus. Anticipated as the company's most advanced phone to date, the S24 Ultra builds upon the familiar Galaxy S22 Ultra shell with a myriad of enhancements, both significant and subtle. In a departure from tradition, the S24 Ultra adopts a titanium alloy frame, similar to Apple's 15 Pro and Pro Max, promising reduced weight without compromising strength. Samsung will introduce 4 stylish colors for the S24 Ultra: titanium black, titanium violet, titanium gray, and titanium yellow, with exclusive online color options available through the brand's retail store. The device boasts a flat, bright display, bidding farewell to the curved screen of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This design shift opens up the possibility of using regular glass screen protectors without the need for adhesive. The 6.8-inch 1440x through A8px 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2x QHD+ panel remains, now capable of illuminating to an impressive 2,600 nits. A noteworthy feature, the S Pen, maintains its presence in the Galaxy S Ultra series, with expectations high for potential enhancements, although details remain undisclosed. The camera setup includes a new 5x module alongside the existing 200MP 1x, 10MP 3x, and 12MP 0.66 lenses, promising improved photographic capabilities and enhanced video recording, supporting 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at up to 120 FPS. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra houses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, universally adopted across the globe. Accompanied by 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 256GB, 512 or 1TB on UFS 4.0, the phone aims to deliver superior performance. Samsung has reportedly doubled the vapor chamber size for improved thermal efficiency. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 unleashes the Galaxy S24 Ultra as Samsung's smartest AI phone ever, featuring on-demand live translate, dynamic lock screen, and smart keyboard as part of One UI 6.1. The camera benefits from AI optimization, rectifying past issues and introducing features like nightography zoom and generative edit for creative control. Maintaining a 5,000 mAh battery, the S24 Ultra supports 45W wired and 15W wireless charging, offering a consistent 0.65% charge in just 30 minutes. Notably, the device introduces emergency texting via satellite support over the 3GPP standard, although availability and costs in different markets remain uncertain. Pricing for the Galaxy S24 Ultra ranges from $1,449 for the 12/256GB variant to $1,809 for the 12GB 1TB configuration. Samsung sweetens the deal with pre-order bonuses, doubling the storage for early buyers, essentially offering a 512GB phone at the price of a 256GB model.